Good morning, children. God bless you all. Children, now today I'm going to explain you chapter 10, punctuality, from your value education reader book. Okay, children, it's given on page number 36. So please take out your value education reader book and open page number 36. Children, the written assignment of this chapter is already sent to you on 4th of June. Hope you all have written it very neatly in your VD CW notebook. Now let's begin with the chapter. The name of the chapter is punctuality. Children, it is the fact or quality of being on time. Okay, children, punctuality is the fact or quality of being on time. Now let's begin with the chapter. Time is precious. Children, you all know what is time. Okay, now time is precious. Precious means of great value. Means it should not be wasted or treated carelessly. Okay, children? So time is precious. It should not be wasted. Being punctual is being on time. Okay, children? Being punctual is being on time. Punctual means to do something at the agreed or proper time. Okay, children? When you are doing something on time, you are punctual. It is very important to be on time for everything. Children, it is very important to be on time for everything. To be late is a very bad thing, and to be late is a very bad thing. There are some children who are late for everything except for every meal. Now, there are few children who are late for everything except for every meal. Being late is not a good thing, children. It's not a good thing to be late. Nobody likes unpunctuality. Okay, children, nobody likes unpunctuality. Children, it means not punctual or the quality of not doing something or arriving something or arriving somewhere at the right time. When you are late, when you are not punctual, then it means unpunctuality. It is a waste of our time. Okay, children, unpunctuality is a waste of our time. It also wastes the time of others. We are wasting our time also, and we are wasting the time of others also by being late. So one need to be punctual. Lazy children are always late. Lazy children are always late because they don't want to do anything. They are not serious about anything. Lazy children are always late. They are never punctual because they are not serious about anything. Punctuality is the habit of being on time. Children, punctuality is the habit of being on time. People can depend on those who are punctual. Now, if you are punctual children, then people can depend on you. They can trust you. Okay? Our success depends on this great quality. Children, punctuality is the key to success because all successful people are punctual. If we look at the world leaders and more, we will notice the same. Thus, it helps us to complete tasks on time and also earns the respect of others. Okay, children? So, this was the chapter punctuality. Hope you all have understood. You should be punctual. Okay, children? Now, coming to the back exercise given on page number 37, children. Answers to these questions are already sent to you. We will do the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Dash people are always late. Children, can you see the box here? You have to choose the word from here and write it down. Two words are written wrong here, so I have changed the word. Please write it down always and late here. Lazy people are always late. Okay, the first one is lazy people are always late. Number 2 is punctual people are successful. Okay, children, right? Punctual people are successful. It's given here. Number 3 is time should not be wasted. We should not waste our time, children. So it's written time should not be wasted. Number 4 is punctuality is being on time. See the spelling of punctuality written here, children. Punctuality is being on time. Number 5 is punctuality is a good habit. And number 6, we should never be late. We should never be late. So this was the back exercise. This was the filling the blanks. Okay, children. Now come to exercise C. Write down names of 3 of your friends who are always punctual. I have written the names of my friends. Children, you can write down the names of your friends who are always punctual. So this was the back exercise, children, and this was the assignment sent to you. Okay, you have to write it down very neatly in your 4-line VDCW notebook. You have to write like this. Okay, children. Lesson 10, punctuality. Write the name of the chapter and put the date, which is 4.6.2020. Write down the first question, fill in the blanks. Number 1 is time is precious. Underline time. Number 2 is time should not be wasted. Please underline wasted. Number 3 is being punctual is being on time. Please underline time. Number 4 is our success depends on punctuality. Please underline success. Number 5, nobody likes people who are not on time. Please underline people. So these were the 5 fill in the blanks for you, children. And coming to question number 2, answer the following. Okay. Number 1 is, why should we not waste time? The answer to this question is, we should not waste time because time is precious. Okay, children, we should not waste time because time is precious. Question 2 is, what is punctuality? Answer to this question is, punctuality is the habit of being on time. Okay, children, punctuality is the habit of being on time. Number 3 is, why are lazy people always late? The answer to this question is, lazy people are always late because they are not serious about anything. They like to waste time. Okay, children. And the note given in the last was learn back exercise given on page 37 of your Value Education Reader book, which we did just now. Okay, this was page number 37, which we did just now. So you have to learn it. Okay, children, now we have finished chapter 10, punctuality in value education. You have to read this chapter and learn the back exercise and the question answers already sent to you. Okay, children, stay indoors, play indoor game, stay safe, maintain social distance, keep watching the videos sent by the school every day, and tell your classmates also to watch the videos. Please finish your assignments on time, children. Take care. Thank you.